Hi students, so today I'm going to talk about the division in fractions. We already know what a fraction is, but today I'm going to touch upon the concept of division in fractions. So let me start by asking you a very simple question, which is what is 1 divided by half? Now, there cannot be anything simpler than this, 1 divided by half. Or I can write it like this, 1 divided by half. So when I ask this question without writing it, most of the students get confused with the statement itself, 1 divided by half. Because till now they have been doing questions like 8 divided by 4, which they can easily say 2, 12 divided by 6, which they can easily tell me 2, and so on and so forth. I can do any division and they are easy to tell me the answer, and they can quickly give me the answer. Now, what does this mean? That is very important to find the answer for this. This simply means that how many fours are there in 8? How many fours are there in 8? 2. 1 4, another 4. 4 plus 4, 8. How many 6 are there in 12? 2. 6, another 6. Together becomes 12. So how many 6s are there in 12? 2. Now, if you know this concept, if you know this basics, then you can easily solve and tell me that what is 1 divided by half. If I can make a pizza and divide it into 2 parts, and then I ask you that tell me how many halves are there in 1. This is what I'm asking. How many halves are there in 1? How many halves are there in 1? 2. So the answer is 2. Similarly, I can make another pizza, divide it into 4 parts, and now I ask you how many 1/4 are there in 1? How many 1/4 are there in 1? So 1 divided by 1 by 4, you will tell me 4. How many 1 by 4 are there in 1? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is how we do the division in fraction. Now, how the school teaches you, let me go into that. So if I have to solve this as per the book or as per how the school is going to teach you, they will tell you, take the numerator, put the multiplication sign, and reverse the fraction in the denominator. If I reverse a fraction in the denominator, I will get 4 upon 1. And now when I multiply, I get the answer 4. Similarly, in this case, take the numerator 1, put the multiplication sign, and reverse the fraction in the denominator. The answer is 2. And this is how we try to solve any complex fraction division. So now if the fraction is say 1 upon 16 divided by 1 upon 32, I will simply take numerator, which is 1 upon 16, put the multiplication sign, reverse the fraction in the denominator, and do the calculation, which is 2. The answer is 2. This is how the fraction division is done. But much more important is this concept. Where is this coming from? And among everything, the one key takeaway from this entire what I have just taught is 1 divided by half. Just to repeat, how many halves are there in 1? If you remember this, then your concept will always remain clear. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.